What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Kaspa Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Kaspa. Anyways, today we're about to do exactly what we do every day. We're about to check on the market 24 hours performance. We're about to look at our positions to see whether we did good, bad, great, or maybe we are just going sideways. Okay, you'll be surprised because, again, it is very, very satisfying when everything comes out the way you've been looking at it. Okay, and but before all that, guys, there is something that came to my mind today. It's like somebody asked me, why do I always ask my viewers to buy at least 10,000 Kaspa? Can 10,000 Kaspa make you a millionaire? And my answer to that is no. At least not in the present run. In this present run, 10,000 Kaspa will not make you a millionaire. So why do I always ask guys to buy at least 10,000? Very simple. It has to do with your financial freedom. Okay, it has to do with you accumulating that wealth transfer. Okay, that wealth transition that is happening right now, and many people are not paying attention with it. I'll tell you why. In this, we have two scenarios here. Okay, you can buy 10,000 Kaspas, put them in a cold wallet, and forget about them until the next run after this will be around 2030 or thereabout. Excuse me. Until the next run, which becomes in 2030 or something like that, thereabout. By then, I can guarantee you that Kaspa will be worth $30 or even $50. I can guarantee you that. Now let's do the math right quick. You have 10,000 Kaspa, and the price goes to $30, you make $300,000. Okay, that is a good start because there is no job that will pay you, let you save $300,000 in 3 years or 2 years. That's a good start. Now, if Kaspa goes to 50, you make $500,000. That is a good start. That's the first excuse me. That is the first take from it. Now, I know most of us cannot wait that long because we are human. Okay, we got problems to solve. We have things we need to solve. So why do I tell you buy 10,000 Kaspas? Now, you buy 10,000 Kaspas, price goes up to $10. Okay, price goes up to $10, you make $100,000. Or price goes up to $8, you make $80,000 from now till next year, in the next 10 months or something like that. What do? I recommend you cut that in half. You cut it in half. Use one half to solve your problems. You know, go to vacation, pay your car off, or put a down payment for your home, or whatever you need money for. That is what the average somebody will do. Okay, average person will do that easily. The other half, let's say now you are left with $50,000 in the bank or in your cold wallet, because I always say I will always store my my wealth in stable coins. Okay, you're left with $50,000 in stable coins, and price on the bear market starts to go down. Okay, price goes down. Let's say, because Kaspa, I can see Kaspa goes up $10. I can see Kaspa retracing probably to $3 or $4 thereabout. If Kaspa retraces to $4, you put 50 grand in there, you have around probably 13,000 coins, 12,000, 13,000 coins. Okay, 12,000 to 13,000 coins. The next run, I can tell you Kaspa is gonna be up there between $30 or $50 thereabout. Now let's do the math right quick. If I go here and we take let's say 13,000 coins times $50, That gives you $650,000. See that? Now we are talking. Now we are talking. You've managed to do two things. Two things you've managed to do with that that move. First of all, the money you invested today, 2024, to get 10,000 coins has helped you to upgrade your lifestyle. Because first, it has provided you with the 50K you needed to reinvest and make your wealth grow. Because like I always say, okay, nothing comes easily. In stocks, if you invest in stocks, for you to see returns, you have to wait at least 10 to 15 years. But this crypto makes it easier, because now you investing 10,000 coins today is around what, 1,800 or thereabout. You investing 1,800 today will give you $80,000 to $100,000. Then you cut that in half. That half, by the run after this one, will give you $650,000 to $700,000. And you repeat the same thing. You understand? You repeat the same thing. Now you have $700,000. You can take probably $200,000 set on the side for the next bear market after that. And the other ones, you invested in something else, or pay off your house that you took mortgages on 2 years earlier, pay off the car, the kids' college, whatever you want to do, have some money on the side, or do any other thing you want to do. Because now, instead of having $50,000 or $40,000 to play with to do whatever you want to, now you have $400,000 or $500,000. Did you see what I'm talking about? That is what I'm saying. Like, buying 10,000 Kaspas today introduces you to your financial freedom. There's a lot of things you can do. There's a lot of things you can do. Excuse me. There is a lot of things you can do once you now have more than $500,000. You can open up your franchise. You can, become an investing into a tech company. You can do a lot of stuff with that. So that's why I'm saying it. 10,000 Kaspa today will introduce you to your financial freedom. Because now when you are making every 2 years, let's say you're investing into it and your returns are coming back to $500,000 or even higher than that, you don't need to work the entire time anymore. You don't need to. The same thing goes to Quant. Why I'm telling you to buy 100 Quant. 100 Quant, you start making a year 100,000, or let's say $60,000 to $100,000. Now you don't need to work full time no more, because you can take a part-time job if you want to make $40,000 a year, $50,000 a year, plus whatever Quant is making for you from the staking rewards, which is something from project gateways. Guess what? Now you can spend more time at home with your family. You can spend more time with your children. You can do everything else you want to do. You can even afford to plan vacation, not luxurious ones, because you have to think first. You have to make sure you are growing instead of spending everything, right? So you see what I'm going with it, right? But yeah, if you're a go-getter like me and you want to be a millionaire this season with Kaspa, nah, not 10,000. You probably need to buy 100 or 200,000 Kaspas, which will cost you probably what, 50, 60 or something like that. I can't do the math off head right now, but that's what it will take you to do it. So yeah, when you listen to people, you have to really make up if they are being reasonable or not. That is excuse me. That is exactly what you really need to look at. Are they being reasonable? Are they being or are they just trolling you? I see people like Crypto Galaxy telling you, oh yeah, buy 10,000 Kaspas or 20,000 Kaspa and become a millionaire. That that ain't gonna happen, bro. It ain't gonna happen. 10,000, 20,000 Kaspa is to get your feet into that wealth transfer zone. You have to grind for it. It doesn't come free. You have to learn how to invest. You have to learn how to, put your priorities. You have to know the difference between what you want and what you need. Because 10,000 Kaspa today, trust me, By the next run, only a few people will be able to afford it. It's just like a couple of months ago, for you to have 100,000 Kaspa, it was very easy. 100,000 Kaspa today, you have to really spend 20 grand, give or take. You have to be able to spend that much, $20,000. So that is why I'm telling you guys, 10,000 Kaspa. Start with that. Once you start with it, that would open a lot of doors for you. A lot of doors. Not to become a millionaire with it. No, to become financial free with it. I don't know if I'm explaining myself. But anyways, now that we got that out of the way, let's go right quick and look at the market. Let's see what the market has been doing today. Let's first of all look at our crypto bubbles, okay? Crypto bubbles right here. Right there. Let's look at crypto bubbles. Whoa. Whoa, I guess the speech yesterday about the Bitcoin convention didn't do that much. As you can see, the market is swimming in red again. Now, what do we always say? It's an opportunity. Time for us to get in there and make that money. So let's look at Kaspa first. Kaspa. For the past hour, Kaspa is up 0.1%. 1.7% down on the day. 3.7% up on the week. 2.1% up on the month. And 418% up on the year. So like you can see, Kaspa is going sideways right now. That's what the numbers are just telling me just by looking at it offhand. I mean. Now let's look at Quant, QNT. Let's go here. Quant, for the past hour, we are up 0.1%. On the past day, 3.4% down. 6.4% down on the week. 0.1% down on the month. And 35% down on the year. Again, this tells me sideways. So before we look at it, I think probably we are going to be hovering around that $72, $71 on Quant. Now we look at Jasmy. Let's go look here. JAS. Look at Jasmy. Okay, 0.6% down on the hourly. On the day, we have 3% down. 4.1% up on the week. 3.4% up on the month. And look at that, it went up again. 713% up on the year. Okay, so now that is what I always talk about. Opportunity right there. There's blood in the streets. What you do, you get in. Get in right now, guys, because this price is about to run. Like I said again a couple of times. Now you have to get in there. 10,000 Kaspas, guys. 100 Quant, guys. This is the time you have to get in, because price is just staggering, like it start stumbling around. Okay, that is how you make life-changing money. 10,000 Kaspas, guys. But anyways, now let's go and get the price in more details. Let's go look at Trading View. Trading View right here. We're gonna start with Kaspa. Okay, now here we are on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, as you can see, everything's still the same. Yesterday I told you guys, okay, we have this resistance and we have support. Okay, we broke above it, came back. Now Kaspa is battling that same support / resistance, which is at 18.6 or 18.7, 18.8. That's where we are right now. We are looking for Kaspa to break above it, confirm it as support, and then take off to go try the all-time high up there at 19.6 or 20 cents. Depends on your chart or how you trace your lines. But that's what we're doing right now. I told you guys, you got to pay attention to this. It's just a minor. You can put a trace line right here. Kaspa has this resistance forming this flag, bull flag, which has 80% chances of blowing upside. This right now will take off above that 20 cents level. And guys, today's Sunday, so we are expecting Kaspa to move, but the moves usually come a little bit later tonight, or maybe by the time you watch this video, this thing would have moved off to the upside. Now let's look at it on the 4 hourly. 4 hour, the same thing. You can see here we had that resistance up here. Kaspa broke above, came down. Now we are trying to break above it. Okay, we're trying to break above it to form it into a support and take off from there. Therefore, you see, that's the pole of the flag. That is the flag here, the flag being formed, and now we're looking to take off. So there's not much to be said about Kaspa in price of today, because like it's still doing the same. The only that I can tell you guys, you need to get in your positions in. Getting in your positions, because look at that. You see the triangle? Triangle is on its apex. It's almost there. It's about to break out. It's about to break out. Probably by the time you wake up in the morning, this thing will take off already, because everything is just priming up for that. Now let's go look at Quant right quick. Quant, QNT. Look at QNT on Binance. There you go. Quant is doing exactly the same thing. Like I told you guys, we are on the daily chart right now. The inverse head and shoulder is still in play. That was the first shoulder. This is the head. That is the second shoulder. As you can see, we touch it. Now we are waiting for Quant to come again, form the second shoulder, and break the resistance above that $80. Okay, once Quant break that $80, we have the target for all that is up here, $94, $95. And as you can see, it takes us right with the moving 200 moving average. So that's what Quant is doing right now. And I told you guys, I don't panic for that. It's an opportunity. It's time for you to get in there. Okay, buy your coins on spot, or probably get your coins on leverage, and then scale up your position to make your liquidation price drop, because that's what's happening right now. If I look at Quant on the 4 hourly, let's go here, 4 hours, you'll see it's the same. Nothing much has changed. Okay, the second shoulder is being forming. Okay, what we are looking for Quant to break back above $72, confirm that as support, and keep on going. What is most likely to do on this lower time frame right now is a double bottom. Like the first bottom here, we're probably going to form a second bottom and then take off from there. If you look at it on the 1 hour, okay, on the 1 hour, there you go. On the 1 hour, there's not much difference. Okay, we are still waiting for this to reverse, go upwards. Okay, gonna go upwards, go above $72 and take off from there. Again, guys, you got to zoom out, because all this you are looking at right here is just a fractal. It's just a fractal of a bigger picture. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit. A fracture of a bigger picture. As you can see, let me go here. When I go on the weekly, we got supported exactly on the support right at $70. See, it turns green. Now we are about to start going up. All that you've been looking at before, all this is just a fractal for reversal, because here the major resistance is up here, the $125, $126 for Quant, guys. And this thing is about to take off, because we got a lot happening for Quant in the next 2 to 3 months. There's a lot happening, and you don't want to get left behind. So now let's go look at Jasmy right quick. Jasmy, ticket symbol JAS. Okay, I like the Binance right here. Jasmy is following the same trajectory. Okay, the same trajectory. So nothing has changed from yesterday. The speech that Trump gave kind of drove the market high a little bit, but nothing has changed. We are still on the same support of uptrend, and what we had like Jasmy testing it and going up, forming green wicks. So we have that very big resistance at 3.3. Once we go above that 3.3 cents, guys, Jasmy is gone. It's gone, because I'm telling you guys, all that move that started from this flag right here is to take Jasmy to 9 to 10 cents. But before that, this little one here, it has a target at 5.5. After 5.5 cents, we gone. So if you zoom in, let me try to zoom in on the 4 hours. See that? It's forming that bull flag. That's the pole. That's the flag we're forming. I'm expecting this price to probably touch with the moving average, the moving ribbon, and bounce from there to go take this resistance at 3.2, 3.3. Just like I'm telling you guys, And once this happens, guys, we'll be going above that 5.5. 5.5, guys, it will be gone. It will be gone from there, and you will not see Jasmy lower again. So whatever you're seeing right now is price just going sideways. Sideways, nothing more, nothing less. These moves you're looking at is okay, it's normal. Look at that. Price is just moving sideways, because like a lot of people, we have a lot of people that are day trading all these assets. This move from here to here made some money, a lot of money for a lot of people. So what you're looking at right here is people taking profits. As you can see, we're already getting supported by the rebound. What you're about to see right now is this thing take off and go try that resistance one more time. Okay, so there is no point for you to alarm yourself or anything else, because Jasmy is about to make you a lot of money if you're just patient. Not a financial advice, but that is what is happening right now. So yeah, there you have it. Everything is just moving sideways. There's no cause for alarm. There's no cause for you to raise your red flags or anything. Do the opposite. When we see that rate, that's where we get in. As a matter of fact, it's an opportunity for you to start stacking up those 10,000 Kaspas. Those 10, because guys, I will say it over and over again, this is your last chance at that financial freedom, guys. If you want to become a millionaire with Kaspa, you are going to need more than 10,000. But if you want to start dipping your toes, okay, dipping your toes into this financial freedom, minimum is 10,000 Kaspa, and have a plan ahead of you, because there's no point of having 10,000 Kaspa and you don't have a plan. You need to have a plan. Okay, Kaspa goes to to $10 or $8 to $10. What are you going to do? Now you have the money, you're going to spend it all and then start from zero? No. And plus, the average person right now, I know the average person can afford 10,000 Kaspa, and that you ease yourself into financial freedom slowly. And it should take you this run and next run, okay, to be able to say, you know what, I think I have enough to start working my butt off, you know, stuff like that. So yeah, and why Kaspa? I'll show you that, but why I choose Kaspa, I will show you in a minute. But first of all, let's go look at our positions to see how good they're doing. Again, guys, do not condone leverage trading. Okay, I will keep saying this in all my videos. You have to learn how to leverage trade. Start with $5, $10, learn that. Once you do, I do have the Phemex and the Bydfi lines below. Like links below. You can sign up and get free money. With that free money, start trading, grow up that account. Once you grow up enough, take out your initial money and start playing with house money. That's how it works. But anyways, now let's go look at my Bydfi right quick. Okay, Bydfi, I've got to sign up. Okay, as you can see, I told you guys we're going sideways. My overall is now 27,200. So we are going sideways. There's not much action going on in the market until sometime this evening. That's when you're about to see market take off again. Now, if you look at my contracts, whoa, see that Quant is sitting at $71. So like that's an opportunity, a snack in the market. My Jasmy, I'm still up 90%. Okay, 90%, which is 2,900. My Quant, I'm still up 20%, which is $965. Okay, now the King itself, King Kaspa, I am still up 86%, which is $7,000 or 7,100. So again, we're gonna take this account and we're gonna make it into a 6 figures this coming 10 months. Or even before that, because I'm telling you guys, this thing is about to make a lot of money for everybody. But anyways, now let's go look at my short-term account, which is on Phemex. Let's go to Phemex right there. I gotta sign in on this account. This is when we take profits. Okay, we take profits depending on the support and resistance. As you can see, again, we are going sideways, because yesterday I think I was up $12,000, and today I am still up. Okay, I am still up. It's still 11,800, a little lower than I was yesterday, but hey, still chugging along perfectly without any any problems. But anyways, looking at the contracts, okay, I have my Jasmy, I am still up 223%, 223%, which is equal to 4,100 approximately. And Kaspa, I am still up 28%, which is approximately 1,200. So yeah, everything is moving according to plan. It's moving perfectly. I'm going to watch out for the resistances and the support, which for Jasmy are 5 cents, okay, 10 cents, 12 cents, and ultimately 20 cents. That's what I'm watching out for Jasmy. For Kaspa, as soon as we go past that 25 cents, Kaspa is going to be very volatile. It's going to be on price discovery mode because there is a lot. I'm telling you guys, there is a lot coming on for Kaspa. Excuse me. Yeah, it's going to be into that discovery mode. There's a lot coming on for Kaspa. The KRC20 coins are coming. Okay. Other than that, excuse me. Also, we have the real smart contracts are also getting worked on by the Kaspa team. That's also another thing a lot of people are not understanding. They think the KRC20 smart contracts are the real deal. Guys, that is just the appetizer on Kaspa. You don't know what is coming. You do not know what is coming for Kaspa. So that is that for that. And then you can look at Quant. Like I said, there is a lot in the pipeline for Quant. There's a lot in the pipeline for Quant. Quant is about to run, guys. That thing is about to, oh my God. If only you know. Like I always say, it's not like everybody know. Okay, anybody doesn't know about everything going on right now with Quant. Only you. Only you. Only you, because you follow that. You follow everything like Quant is doing. Their overledger. Just follow the overledger first. Look at the development that is going on with overledger. Why are they advertising it so much? That's what should kind of be your point of curiosity. Because as we usually say, if you know, you know. Okay. Now let's go look at why again. I'm telling you 10,000 Kaspa. Let's go back a little bit on that. 10,000 Kaspa. Kaspa solved the trilemma. Kaspa solves the trilemma. Let me show you this thing right quick. Where did I put it? Probably have it here. There you go. I found this on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. When you look at this, Kaspa is the only one that is decentralized, scalable, and is secure. Okay, look at that. Kaspa is the only one that meets all these requirements. Bitcoins, Bitcoin has 2 of them, but 1. You know why? The reason why I'm laughing, I'm looking at Solana. I'm looking at Solana, guys. I'm looking at Solana. Look at Solana right here. I'm looking at Solana. Solana is not decentralized. It's not secure. It's only scalable. That thing is just like a roadkill. It's like a dead rat somewhere. I don't know. This is another thing that makes me more bullish on Kaspa, guys. This is why I am so bullish on Kaspa. Look at that. You can see it, because once the smart contract get launched, and Kaspa, look at that, has all those 3 problems solved. Not Bitcoin, not Ethereum, not Solana. Solana for me, like I'm saying it again, it's roadkill. It's a dead rat for me. So yeah, once the smart contract get launched on Kaspa, guys, you are going to see it. The reason why people are transacting on Tron more than on Solana is because it's cheaper and it's faster. And what is Kaspa versus Tron? Who is faster? Who is cheaper? Who is more secure? It is coming. That's why you see all this big money, the industry initiative or whatever you want to call them. They have also started to dip their toes with Kaspa. That's why I'm telling you guys, Kaspa this run is going to $10. Once all that get laid out, you are about to see that oh my God, guys, 10,000 Kaspa. That's what you need minimum, and you about to be into that wealth transfer mode. Once you get that 100K or 80K, then okay, it's up to you if you want to squander it all or if you want to think ahead of you and to start making plans. Because from 100K, you can turn that into $500,000. $500,000 by next run. And from there, you can turn that into $2-3 million the run after that. It's up to you. That's why I'm saying it. 10,000 Kaspa. Not to be a millionaire in this run, but to kickstart that wealth transfer. I hope I explained myself way better, because it's just so much in my head about this that this video wouldn't be long enough for me to finish explaining it. That being said, guys, thank you for checking out my videos. Okay, please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Share this video so that a lot of people with millionaire minds like you and me can also join the group and the family can grow. And again, guys, please comment. I would like to read your opinions on this particular subject. That being said, be careful out there, and I will see you in my next one. Bye-bye.